Rise from the dead.
What? Okay, it's my birthday. And I already invited people over. It's going to be a sleepover. Oh, somebody's knocking at the door. Hi, Tabitha.
No, you have to open the door.
Hello, Slick and Tabitha. Nice to see you. Come in.
It's today your birthday.
Yes, it is.
So we are going to sweet.
So you can eat this. You can choose top or bottom. Top or bottom. Top or bottom.
We want to sweet together, so we're just going to do on the bottom.
On the top?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, there's going to be more people coming. Party. I'm so excited. This is going to be so fun. Oh, somebody's knocking at the door. Oh, I forgot to finish my show. Hurry. Oh, hi, Zoe and Tabitha. Not Tabitha. Tabitha just came. Hi, Regan and Zoe. I'm sorry I got your names mixed up. Okay.
That's okay. We're going to swim on the bottom.
Okay. It's all roughly like that. Isn't that so cool? Oh. Huh. This is going to be a long night. Oh, where is this at? Wow, these people are coming so quick. Hi, Ruby.
Can we please sit on the top?
Okay, I didn't even get to finish. Whatever. Somebody just undid my birthday balloon. Oh. Hello, Zazie and Fantasia.
Sit on the bottom.
Okay, these people are just getting these so quick.
Good thing I didn't pop it.
Oh, Tabitha, you already came. You're coming again?
Yep.
When did you leave?
On the bottom.
On the bottom.
Sit on the bottom.
That's enough, people.
Sit on the bottom.
You people are mean.
Wait,
I'm not gonna sleep with everybody.
over there. What do over there?
Did somebody go on the top with me?
And pretend there's no roof. So then I sprayed it.
Okay. I'm getting sprayed! Ah!
Ooh, I want to spray it. Ooh, I want to spray it.
No more spraying!
Ooh, I want to spray it.
Ugh, that just felt weird.
Just smell my hand at everybody.
Good night.
Good night.
Well, good night. Shh. We're not going to do any games, I guess. What? It's morning.